Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I had already started making some tuna salad. I said maybe my honeys want to see this. So I already got my eggs hard cooked and chopped up in the bowl. So I will be using tuna, and I got a pack of salmon. I'm using the packs. I don't have the cans, so I got the packs. So, and I got Miracle Whip. It's a little bit. I'll also be using some Mayo. Miracle Whip is sweet. Mayo is savory. So these two flavors together are delicious. And if I don't have enough of something, I got some more mayonnaise on hand. And of course I'm going to put a couple dollops of yellow mustard in it. I got my relish, sweet relish. Okay. And I got some seasoning. It's garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. Got this from Amazon. It came yesterday. I ain't got to be having a million seasoning bottles all over the counter. I just used this because this is what I use mostly anyway. I used to make my own all-purpose seasoning. I haven't made none in a while. Okay. Let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Let me get this jollof rice seasoning. But that's going in here too. Maybe some celery seed. Where is it? Well, I don't see it right now. Well, I don't see it, so I guess I don't need it right now. Little boy, you want to say hi to the honeys? Come on. Come on. Say hi to the honeys. Say hi, honeys. Say hey. Say hello. Okay. Now don't trip me. Hi, honeys. He got his blocks all around my feet, y'all. I have to be careful I don't trip. Okay, bye. Oh. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye. Go see Daddy. Go bless him with your presence. Okay. Move, boy. Lower this some more. So y'all can see. Okay, and I got a bag here to put trash in. This is what I'm going to mix it with. I'm putting all my stuff in here now. Why did I put this in here? Let me rinse it so I can get my relish out. Putting the relish in here now. Nice dollop of relish. I like sweet pickle relish. Before I get the spatula dirty, I'm going to put my mayo in here and Miracle Whip and stuff. Nice couple dollops. Okay, and I'm using the mayo. It's squeezable. This is the Heinz. Come on now, I got time for this. Okay. Forget y'all. I'm gonna use the Hellman's. Nice sweet. It tastes completely different from Miracle Whip and my mustard. Couple sweets. Season it now. This is just the eggs I got in here and seasonings and stuff. I'll taste it and see. And the badia, it's got a little kick to it. And it also has salt in it. Okay. I'm gonna open these. Just comes out flat. I'll come get all this out of here. Y'all know that. That's empty. I'm using salmon. Salmon is saltier than tuna, so it'll give it a good flavor. It all looks the same. It tastes different. And what is this packed in? Well, most of this I got is packed in water, so I don't know. Just don't say it right offhand. I ain't gonna read the back of the pack. Let me see. I ain't got no crackers. I'm going to be making some tuna sandwiches with cheese on it. Boy, don't you knock my tripod over. Okay, need some more. Got another couple packs. Oh, I ain't got the onions. I'm filming, so don't say nothing crazy like you usually do. Then I have to cut out a lot of it because you said something nuts. Come on. I have to get a fork. Okay, I have to get a fork to get this out of here. You want some of this, don't you, Walter? You want some of this? It's going to be loaded with onion. It's in the cabinet. That's where it's supposed to be, right?
Not when I'm using it.
You wasn't using it.
Don't you know I use it?
Well, how? If you were using it, how did it get in the cabinet?
Yeah, she must have put it in there. Yes. No, I had it this morning.
Okay, I put it up.
But you know I was using it.
It don't belong on the rack. Like it's decoration or something. It doesn't mess up. What do you call the knucklehead? So this was 5 or 6 packs. Let me get a knife. Oh no, I'll get this. The small end. Watch him when you shut that refrigerator door. So you need to watch out for the tripod. I'm filming. Get the rest of this out of here. Let's get all in these corners. Okay, let's see. I need the onions. Onion. He was a cook who used to say onion. This is Justin Wilson. I used to enjoy watching him.
That's real old, man.
This is a lot of eggs I got chopped up in here. I like it. I'm still chopping eggs so the whites ain't so prevalent. Big. Look at that. Okay, let me get my onion. Excuse me, little boy. Move. Move. Try not to be rude.
Hard for you, man.
Got some red onion chopped up in this mason jar. Relish juice. Okay, that's good. More than adequate. Why you got your face all frowned up, man? See? Just ain't nobody teach you nothing when you was growing up. You don't make fun of people's food.
You make fun of mine.
Because yours looks like it's been drugged through the sand. All this seasoning you put on yours.
Yeah, they love it. Yeah, honeys will love it. I'm hungry myself.
Okay, you want some? Make you a tuna sandwich. I'm going to taste this, see if it needs more seasoning. Just a little.
Next week you see about fixing that.
Oh my goodness. Okay. You need something. Need some more sweetness of the Miracle Whip. Some more Jollof rice seasoning. A little spicy kick. You gave him some gravy?
Oh, I'll put it up.
Give him some gravy on there. Using this. Well, I might as well just kill this. Okay.
So there's one patty in here.
He don't need no whole
Yeah,
patty.
that's what I'm saying. I mean, that'll cut up and just letting you know. There ain't nothing wrong. I just use this for him.
Is this still on even? I don't even know. Yes. Okay. Watch him.
Okay.
Okay, taste it again. Needs a little sweetness. What's sweet? Don't want to put no sugar in it. Okay. Add some more. I like it sweet and savory, y'all. I got about, I think, how many eggs I got in here? I think 5 or 6. I put them in my electric egg cooker.
What is the time saying? 13:21. What the heck?
You know the power went out.
Yeah, but I call myself fixing this.
Let's see it. Let's try it now.
What in the world is this?
Okay. Perfect. Okay. Put a little more. That's a little spicy twang to it. Okay.
This is military time.
Something you done did. Okay, you got your behind way over here. I'm trying to film. I'm trying to cook.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
Get in my way. Ain't nothing in there.
I know. Trying to fix it.
Okay. If you don't get your tail off of me, man, and you better be glad I don't cuss. Okay, y'all. This is the finished product. Look at that. Nice tuna and salmon salad. Ain't got no crackers, so I'm gonna taste it for you. The baby looking at me clown. Got the shoulder action going because it's good. Jackie's over here. She want me to put her up some so she can take it home. So, had to find something to put it in. Well, I know. I put this in this empty Mayo jar. Good idea. I want her to get home and throw away the jar. How much you want, Jackie?
Huh?
How much salad you want?
Oh, not a whole lot.
Because I'm putting it in this jar just empty.
Oh, okay. How much is in there?
You want to eat it with crackers or bread or
A
what?
little bit more. I just eat it by itself. Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, that's good. All right, thank you.
Okay. Just emptied the jar, so it's nice and clean.
Okay.
We'll top that head. We'll top them too.
Yeah, it went the right side up. I'm gonna give it to you.
Yeah, top those too. Okay, this is her portion. It's in the Miracle Whip jar. She can take it home. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice
Thank you.
comment. And subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 1:25 here. About to make me a sandwich and put some cheese on it. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye. Okay. Gone for real. Bye. Okay. Just made a sandwich. Got some cheese on it. I melted it a little. Look at that nice thick tuna salad sandwich. Good. I'm going for real now. Bye. Bon appetit.